Williston.
And now we'll explore the rest of the town.
Now we're going to first go and buy some groceries, and then groceries for the evening and the afternoon, and then we're going to explore Williston and see what else we can find. So this is where we stopped for lunch at the Manor restaurant in Williston.
Very nice.
Really nice. We walked across the road. We wanted to go and buy some stuff for this evening and this afternoon, and something new to us city dwellers. They closed between 1 and 2, the supermarket. So we'll have to come back at 2.
Happy to do that.
Happy to do that. That is so old school. Eh? Town really shuts down between 1 and 2, eh?
It appears that way. People are taking a siesta.
The post office? Look at the church.
And you can
Wow. Beautiful. Let me go into this church. Must have such a history. I want to see if I can find out something about it. Now, I'm fortunate enough to get inside this church here in Williston. That's the NG Church. And I was just told here that all of the wood for this was brought in 1912. And it's still the original wood structures. Incredible. And then the stone structure on the outside was carved out of the mountain just outside of Williston. Look at those organ pipes. Look at this, I'm here at the top of the organ pipes. And yes, the organ. Wow. Apparently there's a lady from the old age home who's 80 years old who comes and plays every Sunday. Trying to get it with the sun on it now. It's such a nice church. But look at this garden. Look at that. There's the name. The original name, Amandelboom. You see? That is incredible. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to find a Corbelled house. We spoke to one of the ladies that's been in the area from 61. Wow. And she's given us keys to get there. It's about 20 kilos out of Williston, but we have to go and see a Corbelled house because it is synonymous to this area, the style of building in the Greater Karoo area. Yeah. So let's get going to that direction.
Oh, we did see that board.
Yes, yes we did. Okay. Now we're going to be on the lookout. She says they're pretty well camouflaged. But she says about 20 kilos out, eh?
Yeah, I think we...
Just close that gate.
Yep.
This is so exciting. Let's see if our little quid can do this thing.
Oh, this must be private land.
Yeah. Oh, there's sheep here. Look at that. Look at this place.
Wow, it's so well preserved, eh?
Wow. Incredible, eh? This is amazing. This is so old. Crazy. Corbelled house. Let's see the Corbelled house. Corbelled house. Jan Klaas Leegte. The Corbelled house is a distinctive example of the type of dwelling which the first farmers erected in this area. In the absence of suitable building material and implements for the erection of conventional houses, available stone was used. Thus, an interesting vernacular architecture originated. So this is a national monument, 1980. Wow. I've just put my camera on, the light on, just so that I can show you what the structure looks like. This is the ceiling, the roof structure, how they built it. This is the corbelling that they did. Brought the bricks lower down, in like this. They brought it in slowly but surely until the bottom of the walls, the straight up walls like this. Incredible. Even they got little gaps there. You see these little gaps that they left for ventilation, it looks like. Amazing. And there's a little window to allow. Look at that. And not to mention the small Corbelled house. You can see they've done a bit of restoration on it. I am headed to a smaller house. Wowza. Sounds much smaller. Window. This structure over here is a kraal where they used to keep the sheep. This is what makes it so exciting for me, is seeing things like this that are so old and that it seems that people have forgotten about. And these are, yeah, that one that we went to go and see is a national monument. It was declared a national monument in 1980.
The little house freaked me out.
Yeah. The small little miniature one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Check here, you can see it's only our tracks that came in here.
Your road's quite rough, eh?
Yeah, it is quite rough. But we're the DustBugs.
Yeah, that we are. But a lot of people have lower vehicles, you know.
That's the thing, yeah. Fortunately, these quids are pretty high.